Okay, next I would like to show you how to change the colors and styles of all the objects within this template. We kind of have just like the default kind of theme that we think would look good for this template, but we really want to empower you to be able to rebrand it and really match the style, look, and feel of your particular project or company. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the buttons here. You'll notice that the buttons are leveraging the styles that are pre-built within Captivate. We went ahead and created some of our own styles, but we're leveraging the same styles features that Captivate has, so each of these buttons is actually using the same style name. That means if we modify the style, the look and feel of any of these buttons, then that'll apply to all of them as we update that style. You'll note also that there is the different states for the buttons, so you want to make sure you update the colors and the different style for each of those states so that it cascades for all of that. All you need to do is just simply go out and just start modifying the colors. I think for this example we'll go ahead and just do kind of a green color. Maybe we'll add a little bit of a stroke color here too. So let's go ahead and do maybe a 1 pixel stroke. And let's go ahead and modify our font just a little bit. Maybe we'll make it a little bit bigger. We could bold it. Could change the font style if we want. I'm going to go ahead and update the font color. We'll do a dark green. And I think that's about what we want for it. You'll notice that my style name is now detached, indicated by a plus sign, meaning that we have modified this style and it is no longer attached to that tab style. And what we want to do is actually save over the existing style so that it updates it for all the other objects using that style. And the way we do that is by clicking this little menu here on the Properties panel. And we're going to go save changes to the existing style. And now every object that had that style attached to it will now be updated. So all of our button files just got updated. You can use that same technique for every object within the template file. So if we wanted to go in and look at the introduction, like the title, which is going to be the same style that is applied to all the titles for the entire interaction, we could go out there, click on it, and we could update the font if we like. We could update the size of it. Let's maybe make it a little bit smaller. Update the color. Really, you have full control to update it however you would like. You could change it to maybe be centered now on the page instead of left justified. Give it some margins, like some padding around. Once you get it just right how you want it, you want to go ahead and do the same thing and save changes to the existing style. And that'll update it for all other titles within this template. You can do the same thing for your content text here, the caption here, and the white box behind. So every element within the template files, we try to attach it to a style, leveraging that awesome feature within Adobe Captivate.